Hi kids, welcome to my channel. Learn with me ABC alphabet with picture. A for apple. Say loudly A for apple. B for banana. Say B for banana. C for cat. Say C for cat. D for duck. Say D for duck. E for elephant. Say E for elephant. F for fish. Say F for fish. Z for giraffe. Say Z for giraffe. H for hen. Say H for hen. I for ice cream. Say I for ice cream. J for joker. Say J for joker. K for kangaroo. Say K for kangaroo. L for lion. Say L for lion. M for monkey. Say M for monkey. N for nose. Say N for nose. O for owl. Say O for owl. P for peacock. Say P for peacock. Q for quiz. Say Q for quiz. R for rainbow. Say R for rainbow. S for sun. Say S for sun. T for turtle. Say T for turtle. U for umbrella. Say U for umbrella. V for vegetable. Say V for vegetable. W for winter. Say W for winter. X for Xmas tree. Say X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Say Y for yak. Z for zebra. Say Z for zebra.